was anything but even hints at kindness. And in my tortured shame, no comfort, no escape. I see, but deep within is utter blindness, hopeless as my dream dies, as the time flies. Love, a lost illusion, helpless, unforgiven, cold and driven to this sad conclusion. No beauty could move me, no goodness improve me, no power on earth if I can't love her. No passion could reach me, could teach me. I could have loved her and make her love me too. If I can't have her, then who? Long ago I should have seen all the things I could have been. Careless and unthinking, I moved onward.
Woo! Woo!